For Amazing Smoothies for Diabetes. When we think for a menu for people who suffer from diabetes, we often think about foods that they can't eat and they leaves us with few options. However, we can include recipes that are vitamin rich and high in fatty acids, fibers, and antioxidants. They help keep blood sugar under control while still being tasty and giving the body a natural boost of energy. Number 1. Strawberry and papaya vitamin smoothie. In addition to being delicious, this smoothie should be added to a diabetic diet because it contains enzyme that improves the function of the pancreas. Ingredients: 6 ripe strawberries, 3 slices of papaya, cup water, 5 tablespoons natural yogurt, 2 spinach, cucumber, and green apple smoothie. The antioxidants add fiber in this drink, reduce glucose levels, and combat both high cholesterol and high blood pressure. It's important to add it to your menu because it stimulates the elimination of toxins and controls inflammation. Ingredients: cucumber, 6 leaves of spinach, 1 green apple, 1 glass of water. Number 3. Tomato, parsley, and olive oil vitamin mix. Adding this to your healthy diet has the ability to decrease the risk of diabetes and to control circulatory issues. Ingredients: 3 sprigs of parsley, 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 green apple, glass of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Number 4. Kiwi, apple, and spinach smoothie. This is an essential vitamin mix for diabetic. It improves digestion, relieves inflammation, and helps activate metabolic functions. Ingredients: 3 cups water, 4 ripe kiwis, 6 leaves of spinach, 2 green apples.